Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, children. So, in the previous class, we have learned about the Deccan Plateaus that occupies the largest part of the Indian and which is lies between the central mountain, right? So, let's come to the Great Plains of River. It consists of plains as well as river. जो Great Plains है, वो क्या-क्या consist करते हैं? Plains as well as river, which is the either flow into the Indian Ocean. Rivers of Asia, which flows in the Indian Ocean or the Pacific Ocean. Okay, so these rivers have their sources located in the Central Highlands. जो ये rivers है उनके कुछ sources है और वो कहाँ पे है बोले तो Central Highlands में. So they form fertile plains by depositing alluvium. Okay, alluvium. The major plains in this divisions are Tigris Euphrates in Syria. Syria में Tigris Euphrates है and Iraq. The Indo-Gangetic Plain in India and Pakistan, the Irrawaddy Plain in Myanmar, the Minam and the Mekong in Indochina, the Sikkim, the Yangtze-Kiang, that is Shangjiang, and Honghe Plains in China. Since these plains are fertile, they are densely populated. So ये थोड़े-थोड़े जो हर तरह के जो है like in India, Indo-Gangetic, in India and Pakistan Indo-Gangetic. सारिया में कौन सा है टाइग्रिस यूफ्रेट्स है और म्यांमार में बोले तो इरावाडी. देन इन चाइना इट इज द मीनम एंड द मेकॉन्ग इन इंडो चाइना. ओके, सो इट इज वेरी डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड प्लेन्स एंड द रिवर्स इन द एशिया. सो नेक्स्ट कम्स विद द आइलैंड ग्रुप्स. Numerous islands are found in the Southeast Asia and Pacific coast of the continent. So बहुत सारे islands पाए जाते हैं. Islands के group Southeast Asia and Pacific coast of continent में. They extended from Kamchatka Peninsula in the north. वो कहाँ से शुरुआत आते हैं मतलब Kamchatka Peninsula से north फिर Philippines to the south. They arrange in festoons. Okay, they enclose 5 seas, namely Sea of Okhotsk, the Sea of Japan, the Yellow Sea, the East China Sea, and the South China Sea. Okay, so 5 rivers it covers, that is enclosed. Okay, first one is the Sea of Okhotsk, the Sea of Japan, the Yellow Sea, the East China Sea, and the South China Sea. Okay, next comes the islands festoons are the Kuril Islands, the Japanese Islands, the Lachu Islands, and the Borneo and Philippines Island. These islands are of volcanic origin and have fertile soil, deep valley and steep conical peaks. Okay, ये जो islands है they are we can say volcanic origin. You'll find the volcanic substances present in the fertile of the soil and they are very deep valleys. Okay, so next comes the major and the agriculture. Okay, major rivers and agriculture. Rivers of Asia. Asia is the land of mighty rivers. It has many vast rivers. Asia में इतने rivers हैं, you cannot count it. It is vast rivers you will find in Asia. Physical features and surrounding of water bodies. Some areas are covered with 3 sideds of water bodies. Some are 2, some are 4, which are some are covered with 4 sideds of islands, lands, and all. Okay. So it is surrounded by the water bodies and affected by the river system of this continent. So Asia is surrounded by Arctic, the Pacific, the Indian. जो एशिया है वो तीन तरीके से surrounded है water bodies. First one Arctic, second one Pacific. Arctic in the north, Pacific in the east और Indian Ocean in the south. Arctic north में है, Pacific east में है और जो Indian Ocean है वो है south में. Okay, और जो major river है वहाँ के the majority of river of this continent flow into any of these 3 oceans. जो वहाँ के जो पूरे rivers है वो इन 3 oceans में से किसमें भी चले जाते हैं. So thus it is can be divided into 4 groups. Okay, let's continue.